If you're trying to cancel your Hulu subscription on your iPhone and you don't know where to find the option, you're not alone. A lot of people get confused because the cancellation button is not inside the Hulu app itself. It's actually managed through your Apple settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to cancel it in less than 2 minutes. Watch until the end, because I'll also show you what to do if you subscribe through a third party. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is put your phone down, or rather, open your settings. Let me show you. First, go to your iPhone settings. This is the gray icon with gears on your home screen. Don't open the Hulu app. The cancellation option is not there. At the very top of the settings screen, you'll see your name and profile picture. Tap on it to open your Apple ID menu. This is where Apple manages all your active subscriptions. Scroll down until you see the option that says Subscriptions and tap on it. Here you'll find a list of every app or service you're currently paying for through your Apple account. Look through the list of active subscriptions and tap on Hulu. If you don't see Hulu here, it means you subscribe directly through their website. But don't worry, I'll cover that later. Once you're inside the Hulu subscription page, scroll down and tap Cancel Subscription. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Confirm to finalize the cancellation. After canceling, the page will update and show you the date when your access ends. You'll still have access to Hulu until the end of your current billing period. Here's a key tip. Always keep the confirmation email Apple sends you. It serves as your proof of cancellation just in case you're ever billed again by mistake. If this is working for you so far, go ahead and hit the like button right now. It really helps this channel. Now let's see what to do if Hulu isn't in that list. If you don't see Hulu under your Apple subscriptions, open your browser and go to hulu.com. Log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your main settings. Scroll down until you find Your Subscription. Click on Cancel and follow the steps. They might offer you a discount to stay, but you can just click through to confirm. That's everything you need to cancel your Hulu subscription on iPhone, whether you signed up through Apple or directly on Hulu's website. If you had any trouble with any of these steps, leave a comment below and I'll personally help you out. We want to make sure you get this sorted. If you found this video useful, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. See you in the next one.